Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by rows of thriving vegetables, the scent of fresh herbs in the air, and the promise of a homegrown meal just steps away. This isn't just a garden, it's your productive sanctuary, your source of nourishment, your connection to the earth. Today, we're exploring over 100 vegetable garden ideas for 2026, featuring productive backyard designs, raised beds, and layouts that will transform your outdoor space into a beautiful, functional harvest haven. Whether you have a compact urban plot or a sprawling suburban yard, these inspiring concepts show how intentional garden design can create the perfect setting for growing, harvesting, and making memories with those you love. As we wander through these beautiful vegetable gardens, notice how the most productive spaces balance function with beauty. Raised beds in varying heights create visual interest while improving drainage and accessibility. Vertical trellises maximize growing space while adding lush green walls. Companion plantings not only boost yields but create stunning color combinations that delight the eye. You'll see how lighting transforms these gardens from daytime workspaces into evening sanctuaries. String lights woven through pergolas cast a magical glow over harvest time. Recessed LEDs highlight pathways for safe evening tending. Lanterns create intimate pools of light for post-dinner garden strolls. These aren't just functional additions, they're design elements that extend the joy of your garden well into the night. Materials tell a story too. Natural cedar brings warmth and durability to raised beds. Weathered wood adds rustic charm to garden structures. Natural stone pathways offer permanence and beauty. And when combined with thoughtful plantings, heirloom tomatoes for flavor, companion flowers for pest control, climbing vines for vertical interest, these elements create layers of productivity that feel intentional, not overwhelming. The magic lies in the details. Moss-filled joints that soften hard edges, integrated irrigation that keeps plants thriving with minimal effort, smart technology that monitors soil moisture. Every choice reflects intention, creating a garden that doesn't just grow food, it grows joy. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would make your vegetable garden feel like home. Would you choose the romantic charm of a cottage-style raised bed with climbing peas and vintage lanterns? Or does your heart lean towards sleek, modern minimalism with clean lines and integrated smart irrigation? Consider your lifestyle. Do you love fresh herbs for cooking? A compact herb spiral near your kitchen door offers convenience and fragrance. Do you have a family to feed? Wide raised beds with efficient layouts maximize yield without overwhelming maintenance. Do you value sustainability? Companion planting and native flowers honor the environment while boosting productivity. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the nostalgic warmth of a traditional kitchen garden? The refined ease of contemporary edible landscaping, the peaceful simplicity of a well-planned square-foot garden? Each of these visions is achievable through intentional vegetable garden design that balances productivity with beauty. If these vegetable garden ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to help you design the productive garden retreat you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of vegetable garden inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you how your productive backyard paradise is closer than you think.